In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Prusa Mini 3D printer. First, turn on the power. What you hear is the extraction turns on and the screen turns on too. Once you're ready, put in the USB stick. The picture of the product that you want to print automatically comes on. What you'll see here, by turning this wheel, you can go back if required, okay, and you've got print, preheat, filament, calibration, settings and info. But for you, just press print. Right, you can choose from all these different products that you may have in there in the USB stick. But the first one we're going to look at is nut, and the picture comes up there. When you're happy, click on print, and what happens now is that the printer here is heating up the printer head, which is up there, and at the moment it's at 40 degrees C, and it needs to reach to 170. This is the temperature of the bed, which is up there, okay, and that needs to reach to 60 degrees and are currently at 29. This is the speed, this is the height of the head, and this is the material that you're going to use. Okay, so what we're doing at the moment is just waiting for the head and the bed to reach temperature. Up here you have the amount of time it will take to print, and here you have the print time, what's actually happened, and then up here you have the name of the product that you're going to print. Okay, and this here is the percentage of the work done so far. We're just waiting for it to print, to heat up. As you can see now, this has reached 170 degrees C. Just waiting for this to reach 60, so it's flashing. Doesn't take too long. Just a few more seconds. As we are waiting, that there is the filament that will be used, and as you can see it's Galaxy Black. Alright, so make sure that the 3D printer has the colour that you would like. It's just reached temperature, so the bed is moving and the head is just coming down. What the machine is doing now is just calibrating the bed to make sure it's all level. It does it quite a few times, as you can see. Okay. It's done that. It's now just going to reach up to its top temperature now, which is going to be 215. The bed has reached its temperature, so that will stay stable. Nearly there. And what you can see now is that the print head is just extruding the plastic just to purge it. It's just making sure that the plastic is coming out nicely, and there you go. It's starting the first layer. So if we go back to the screen, you can see here now print time is 3 minutes 43 seconds, remain time is 1 hour 52 minutes. Now if there's a long time to remain, what you can do is go to turn the wheel, go to tune, click onto tune, and then see that says where it says speed. Click on speed, and then you can actually increase it. So I'm just going to increase it all the way up by turning the wheel. And it goes to 255, which is the maximum. Click it again. Go back to return. What you may have noticed now is that the 3D printer is working a lot quicker. Now it does depend, you don't always have to do that, but it is quite good. As you can see now, the remaining time is now 35 minutes. So it's reduced the timer quite a lot. And that's it. Once you're ready, close the doors. And there you go.